Bonjour, I'm doing this video in respect to a letter that was published by the Ghana Education Service yesterday, directing all head teachers to accept both handwritten lesson notes and the digital ones. The soft copy lesson notes, meaning a teacher, especially my friend teachers, can now submit their lesson notes through email or WhatsApp or any other social media platforms that can reach their head teachers. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign and fill a form like a lesson note, where your head teacher can easily sign your lesson notes digitally on his or her phone or laptop. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
If you are using an Android phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using an Apple phone, go to your App Store. If you are using a laptop, you can just download it. It's online. Just go to Google and search for it. So you I'll go to my Play Store and I'll type Adobe Acrobat Reader Edit PDF. Adobe Acrobat Reader Edit PDF. Like this. Adobe Acrobat Reader Edit PDF. So make sure you have Edit PDF attached to it. Then you install it. This one is installed already. I have installed it, so I'll click on Open. So it will launch. When it launches the document, okay, it launches, you can easily use it to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so for example, this is the lesson plan that someone bought from my website. So I'll click on it to open it. Okay, so this if you buy lesson plan from me, you will know that I have scheme of work attached to it. You have a column where your head teacher has to vet the lesson plan and sign. So you see here remarks by head. Okay, so if I want to fill in the remarks by the head teacher, you just click on fill and sign here at the down, then just tap on wherever you want to type in. So let's say if I'm the head teacher, I'll say okay, remarks, okay, well done, keep it up. Okay, so I can drag it to the top. I can write more words if I want. Then it comes to signature. I can see here, say head teacher or head sign. You can sign. Just come the same process. You click in it. Okay, now you see that because you are already in fill and sign, just click on this pen icon to sign. Me, I've signed already. Once, if you sign once, the signature will still be there. It will be there forever. You can make it bigger by dragging like this. Okay, then I can sign and put in here. So my digital signature is here. So your head teacher can sign, can do anything you want. And also there are some people who said, oh, the lesson plan, they don't have the time on it. You can easily do it yourself. Okay, just put in the time. Okay, so I have this thing. Okay, when you buy lesson plans from my website as well, you see that at the end of the the lesson plan, I have something called lesson delivery remarks sheets. Okay, meaning this for basic 9. Okay, so week 1 lesson, were you able to teach? Okay, you can tap in and type lesson was successfully taught, full stop. Then your head teacher, after teaching and see whether it's true or not, can sign here. Just tap on the box, click on the pen icon, then your signature will come. For the first time, you have to sign and use your hands to sign. It's just like a pen. You can use a pen on your hands. It will sign very well. And then you have my signature here. That's all. If it's like lesson plan, because I'm generating my PDF using a system. Okay, so that's why you see that now I have date and time in one of the boxes. So if, let's say, the date for this lesson plan is let's say 18th January, I just type on it and type 18/01/2024. Then I'll drag it here. Okay, if the time is 10 a.m., all right, 10 to 11 a.m. It's just an example, right? If you feel this is too big, just drag it, or you can click on it, the small a, tap on it, it will be small. The bigger a, it will make it bigger, like this. If you want to delete, you can delete it here. You can still type 10 to 11 a.m. Let me make it smaller, like this. This one, the date is too big, smaller. I'll place it here. You are good to go. So you now tap on this blue tick here, and that's all. The document is signed. Okay, so your head teacher doesn't have any other excuse. Don't go and attack your head teacher. Teach your head teacher this. Once he or she understand, that's all. So when I open this document right now with any other PDF reader, you see that the time is there. Okay, this one is a mistake I made here. You can see when I go to the top where I filled and signed. Can you see this? My head, my signature here. Okay, scheme of learning on point. Keep it up. When you come here to well done, keep it up. The signature is here. Simple. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I must applaud the Ghana Education Service for this great step. The French Master GH, as someone who always encourages teachers to integrate technology into learning, I'm so much happy. I'm clapping for Ghana Education Service right now for a bold step taken. The new curriculum states that one of the core competencies is digital literacy, which is very, very important. We need to embrace the new era. We need to make sure that we make life very easy for us. I'm in France, and most of these things are done everywhere, every day. Teachers sign their forms digitally. Teachers sign their forms on their phones and send to organizations, their school heads, and there's no problem. And this can be done in Ghana. Thank you so much, Ghana Education Service, for this. I want to remind all French teachers that the second term lesson plans are available on my website. Just head over to thefrenchmastergh.com, click on resources, and then buy your lesson plan, and it will be sent to your email immediately within 10 seconds. And this can be sent to your head teacher via email too, or WhatsApp. After downloading it, your head teacher can use this process in the video to sign, okay, to vet your lesson note for you. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.